like a bump on a log. The idiom, like a bump on a log, is used to describe someone who is inactive, unresponsive, or not participating in a situation. It implies that the person is as useless and motionless as a bump on a log. This idiom is often used to express frustration or disappointment with someone's lack of engagement or involvement. Here are a few examples to help illustrate the usage of this idiom. 1. Sarah invited her friend Emily to a party, but Emily just sat in the corner like a bump on a log, not talking to anyone or joining in the activities. 2. During the team meeting, John remained silent and expressionless, sitting there like a bump on a log. It was clear that he wasn't interested or engaged in the discussion. 3. The children were excitedly playing games and running around, but their grandfather sat on the porch like a bump on a log, not showing any interest in joining their activities. 4. We asked our new colleague for input during the brainstorming session, but she just sat there like a bump on a log, not offering any ideas or suggestions. 5. The coach was frustrated with the player who stood on the field like a bump on a log, not making any effort to participate in the game. In all these examples, the idiom, like a bump on a log, is used to highlight someone's lack of engagement, activity, or participation in a given situation. It emphasizes their inaction and indifference, which can be disappointing or frustrating to others.